we have another kind of work, that is running TB clinic for 90 years.
Ramakrishna Mission Free TB Clinic and Medical Center. This is the building. So many activities are on. This is the building. It is working. Ramakrishna Mission is working here since probably 1941. So many years have passed. More than 80 years have passed. See the board, Ramakrishna Mission Free TB Clinic, Medical Center, many departments. 1 RJ Samaj Road, Karel Bagh, New Delhi 11005. Phone numbers are here: 28757608, 9711276395. You can call and then come here. So many departments. The activities are on. See, let us see what are the things they are doing and how many departments are open now at noon. It is almost 12:30. Okay. These are the rooms of the first floor. Here. Counter. Here. It comes to an end, but let us see all the activities inside the building.
Good morning, I am Dr. Shalini Puri, Medical Officer, TBC in charge, working at Ramakrishna Mission since 20 years. Ramakrishna Mission TB Center is developed since 1835, and it was a pioneer when no treatment was available in Delhi. Ramakrishna Mission was providing drugs to poor TB patients, and there was a sanatorium upstairs also. But when in 1996, Ramakrishna Mission is again pioneer for the trial of RNTCP drugs, and in 1998 again NTP was established and Ramakrishna Mission was providing drugs to poor patients. And over the course of time, the Ramakrishna Mission has come to that extent that not only drugs, now it is providing ration and financial help to the poor patients. Swamiji had given this food packets since 2011, and financial help also has been given. During the COVID times, for 2 years, Swamiji had given laptop to the children of TB patients and to the students which were taking medicines from our center. And not only this, they were taking regular classes on weekly basis to teach them how to use the tablet and how much progress they have done with this. We are doing ACSM activities. Under that, painting competitions and sensitization program in the schools, in the areas, in the masjid, around the areas, adjoining areas over here, in the parks, these activities, nearby hospitals, these activities we are doing regular basis, and around the year we are doing. World TB Day is celebrated on March 24th, and we are doing magic shows and Kathputli shows, and we are doing blanket distribution annually. We are giving blankets to all the poor patients.
You are doing from this TB clinic, is that?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Every December, first Monday of December, we are doing big program. They are putting tents and all. Swamijis and STO sirs and all are coming, and we are giving.
And you have beds here also, patients who want to stay here, who need.
No, now there is no inmates.
No No Indians.
No, only OPD is there because RBI TB has been built in our area, which is the biggest hospital.
Okay.
So after that they stopped because it's very risky to interact with general public. So they have now we have a dental over upstairs and hospital has been given to MCD RBI PMT. When it was built, the sanatorium was stopped.
Very nice. Any charges here? The
No,
minimum
here
charges are-
totally everything is free. Registration of the patients is free. We are giving symptomatic medicines. We are giving supportive medicines, iron syrup, and to the patients for their betterment. Everything is free of cost. Medicines government is supplying, and we have identified under PM TB scheme our donors which are giving ration to each and every patient.
Oh.
We are at present we have 250 patients and all are giving or are getting rations, and DR patients are getting financial help also from the Swamiji. And we are, I mean, Swamiji always is very keen, always supporting TB patients in one of the ways. Like I told you, they have given laptops and they are giving blankets annually on regular basis.
Is there any record how many patients have been treated well here? Maybe 10,000,
Yes, we have
maybe
the
20,
records.
maybe 50,000? like
Yes, we have the records. Oh, annual report. में
Almost just
सब
roughly,
गई.
maybe 20,000, maybe 50,000.
No, more than that.
More than maybe
50
1 lakh.
Around 60-70,000.
60 to 70,000
Yes,
people have
yes,
been benefited
yes.
for money from
Yes,
this clinic.
Yes, yes.
Oh,
Because it's
it's very
working
nice.
since very long.
Hmm.
And we have all the reports, all the records,
It
everything.
is
One
working for last 25
TBTMS.
years or what?
I'm working here.
This center is
No, this center is Negi ke kab bana hai? This center is 1941.
1941.
Yes.
First TV center is this.
First TB center.
More than 80 years.
Yes.
83, 84
Yes,
years
yes.
running.
Yes.
Very nice, very nice. Thank you for all this information. This is the TV center. Wait. Patients are treating you.
देखो बेटा, इसमें ना ये जो चेस्ट होता है ना, इसमें एक्सरे में कोई इन्फेक्शन होता है, कोई बीमारी होती है, चीज़ें सामने आ जाती हैं, ठीक है। इसको देखने में आपका वाला इसमें कुछ ऐसी बात नहीं आई है सामने, लेकिन इसमें थोड़ा सा अल्ट्रासाउंड का जो रिपोर्ट है उसमें लेफ्ट साइड में थोड़ा सा पानी का डाउट है। वो इन्फेक्शन की वजह से कई बार बुखार आ जाता है, ठीक है। तो आपका जो बुखार है ये इसको टूटने के लिए जैसे जैसे दवाई लेंगे वो बुखार खत्म होता चला जाएगा, ठीक है। कुछ और टेस्ट करके हम अगर ज़रूरत पड़ेगी तो पानी को थोड़ा सा निकालेंगे सुई से और उसको चेक करवाएंगे अपनी लैब में, ठीक है। फिर वो पता लग के कि टीबी है नहीं है, कोई और इन्फेक्शन है, फिर हम वो वजह देख के आपको उसकी दवाई उसके हिसाब से चालू करेंगे। अभी जो दवाई दी है आपने इन्फेक्शन के लिए ही दवाई बराबर खानी है, बीच में छोड़ना नहीं है और पूरा इलाज करना है, ठीक है। अभी आपको पहले भी दी गई थी, इसको आप आगे कंटिन्यू करेंगे। फिर मैंने आपको इन्फेक्शन कैसा है कितना है करके ब्लड टेस्ट लिख के दिया। ये हमारे मिशन में हो जाता है, सस्ता होता है, अच्छा रिलायबल होता है। इसको आप करवा लेंगे और इसकी रिपोर्ट जितना जल्दी होगा लेके आएंगे हमारे पास। डॉक्टर संजय गोयल, SMO इंचार्ज कम DTO RK मिशन फ्री TB क्लिनिक।
ये चल रहे हैं डेंटल डिपार्टमेंट। बंदू भैया This is the dental department. No admission without permission. Things are here. All the activities are going on. Says facilities, doctors. So the activities treatment is going on. And, this is another part, dental department. और ये तो इम्पोर्टेंट machines है. So, ma'am, you say something on the activities of Ramakrishna Mission.
Yeah, we at Ramakrishna Mission, our dental departments is doing all the necessary dental treatments here. Our root canal treatments are being really very fruitful. All the extraction procedures, surgical part, implantology, and plus the orthodontic procedures are being done here. And the patient input is very good. The footfall of the patient is really good, and we're doing good, satisfactory treatment here.
Then
Rendering.
how many patients are coming in a month? Just approx for an idea.
In a month, approximately, कितना है patient input हमारा?
Maybe 500, 1000 or something like that.
2,000.
2000.
2,000?
And it is totally free of cost or?
No. It's not free of cost, but we are rendering services very nominal charges as compared to what people outside are charging. So here
How many
we
surgeons
are
are here?
catering to masses.
And
Yeah.
how many surgeons are here? You treat here? How many surgeons?
We are here approximately 8 doctors.
8
and-
doctors.
Yeah.
8 doctors.
8.
So many. Okay, thank you very much. And then the pathology laboratory. कोई नहीं है यहाँ. ये लैब है लैब. थोड़ा आप बोल दीजिए. डॉक्टर हैं. हाँ ठीक.
मैम आइए बैठिए ये हमारे टेक्नीशियन है हमारे डॉक्टर
You are working. You are testing or what? What are you doing here?
I'm a lab technician.
Lab technician. And we are here to know about the activities of Ramakrishna Mission in Delhi, and that's why this video. This is a branch center of Ramakrishna Mission Delhi, and we just want to hear something from you. How it is working, and how many people are getting
I'm
served.
the pathologist here, and I've been working in the center for last 14-15 years now.
14-15 years.
Yeah. They are much senior to me, all of these people. They have been working for 35 years.
39.
Yeah, and you are working since?
33.
33.
33.
I am here since 2010. So we have a full-fledged pathology laboratory doing all basic as well as advanced tests, biochemistry, hematology, fine needle aspiration, cytology, serology, cultures. We do everything. So
Studies.
we hormonal studies. So we collect samples every day. We are working every day, Monday to Saturday, and we give the reports the same day in the evening.
Same day.
Yeah, same day in the evening. From 4 to 5 is a report collection time. In the morning we collect the samples, and as you can see, there are various machines over here. We do all our testings. Various parameters are done here, and we have a good patient load. And I hope that this video helps to increase our patient load. That we
yes,
get
yes,
more
yes.
patients.
You
If
get
this
more
information is disseminated more far and wide.
Then give me a kind of a rough idea how many patients you are serving in a month.
See, it depends on the. I mean,
Just
sometimes,
roughly, maybe.
Roughly, it is around 40 to 50 patients a day. But sometimes, like, see, when dengue is much more prevalent, there are more cases of dengue. Then the case load increases around
40-50
60.
per day.
And but if in case like we have it's a dengue season in Delhi, so then the patient load might cross 60 also. So average it is around 40 is the average which we have every day.
And then how cheap it is?
It's very cheap.
Very
Like
cheap.
see,
Maybe 10%
like
of
I'll
the-
give you an example. Like a lipid profile we do for how much? 250. I think 250 is the rate which we do lipid profile, and outside centers are taking 700 to 800 for the same test.
1/3, almost 1/3.
Almost 1/3 for everything.
Fasting PP is also very low.
Very low.
Almost
50
1/3, and
50
also it is
rupees fasting PP.
And
Fasting
outs-
PPP,
yeah,
because in
and
Delhi-
outside I think they are charging 100 to 200 rupees. 100 for one sample, and both samples I think 200. So we are.
and it
like-
is very reliable also.
Very, and
Not
like-
only cheap.
And plus we keep on repeating, you know, like if we get an abnormal report, we'll repeat it, calibrate our machine, and if we are not satisfied, at times we send the report sample outside also to some other lab to corroborate, to cross check. And of course that is, the payment is done by the mission. We don't charge the patient anything extra or whatever.
Right, trustworthy.
Yeah, definitely.
Anyone can rely on this.
There
Yeah.
is standardization, calibration also almost every day done.
And we
Almost
run
every
We have
controls. We run controls also.
Right,
So,
right.
The companies give us controls, so we have normal controls as well as pathological ERBA norm and ERBA PAN. So it's very reliable.
And we have full automatic.
That is automatic analyzer.
And reports are accepted all over Delhi in any hospital.
Even AIMS.
Even AIMS.
Even
We are very
AIMS.
patient
So after that we
people
don't.
Yes.
Nothing to say after that. AIMS are taking.
Regular patients who are getting treated in AIMS. They keep coming, like people with bypass surgeries or anything. So they have to get regular parameters done. So we have that patient profile. RML also, like patients on dialysis and all. They come here regularly for urea and everything.
Right.
Yeah.
Cancer.
Okay, very nice to hear that. Thank you
Thank you so
for
much.
thank you for
You
sharing.
can get the photographs of the
Of the machines.
Yeah.
Okay, only photographs. Do you want to say anything on these machines? Because we don't have any
Yeah,
idea.
we
Na,
do
common people.
Thyroid profile,
Hormones,
and all the
basically.
hormones basically, and vitamin D.
Which is maybe brought from foreign countries, maybe high
all
qualities
machines,
or
all machines are
automated.
All machines are coming from abroad, but we are not directly purchasing from
They are
them.
being marketed by
They are
Indian
marketed
companies.
by
Indian companies.
Yes.
That
No,
is-
I just want to say that highly automated,
Yeah,
Yes, yes,
highly
yes, yes.
up to
They are
date,
very-
That is for HBA even.
Very real, reliable.
That other
very
machine, that
reliable
is for
machines.
reliable.
That
Very
is for
reliable
HbA1c.
machines have been used here.
This is the HbA1c, this is the 3 months
That's
report
okay,
average.
Okay. People will understand. I don't understand much.
And this is the hematology,
counters.
cell counter, so
Okay.
5 parameters.
Okay.
And
So next time when I come to Delhi, I shall surely
and this is
come here on the very first day.
biochemistry,
This is completely
very,
biochemistry analyzer,
Hmm.
and that is the electrolyte analyzer.
Yeah.
Oh.
So the kidney function.
And
all
this
these
is
things.
everything is, we have a software, so all the reports go here directly to the printing station. We are not manually doing anything.
Okay,
We
okay.
just do send it down, and it's downloaded over there.
Okay.
So the reports go over there, and then we also give all the patients a scanner, so they can download the reports at their end.
Right.
So if they want a hard copy, they can come the next day. But if the same day they want the report, the scanner is there and they get downloaded at home.
Okay, I'm from Kolkata. Next time when I come to Delhi, on the very first day, I must come here. So that
You must.
I can have my body
See,
checked.
I am Dr. Amrita Bhasin, pathologist. She is Chitra
Chatterjee.
and that is Sudha,
Sudha.
our senior technicians.
Okay. Thank you for
Thank you.
sharing all these things.
Thank you.
And thank you, Ramesh
And thank you.
for helping
Lokesh
me
Negi, of
along.
course, you know.
Ticket counter of dental clinic, and activities are on. Let's see. They are treating so many patients every day. All the upgraded machines have been used.